This video is going to be focused on winter haircut trends for women for winter 2020. Now, I just did a video on the men's trends, so you definitely check that out if you're interested. But today it's all about the ladies. And I'm going to start with a very, very daring, awesome haircut and hair color. This is called the blonde crop. And to me, it just is all about feeling amazing, feeling sexy, feeling powerful, having the confidence to wear something short like this. If you do this at a salon or even a barbershop, the real key to this haircut is that it's tapered, probably a number 2 to 3 guard, nothing too short throughout the sides because you still want to keep it feminine looking. It's then blended up throughout this area right into the top, and you can wear it forward like this to show kind of more of a cropped type textured fringe, or you can spike it up, create some texture, and have a lot of fun with it. Now let's talk about the color. The color is a bleach blonde, and it's got somewhat of a pale tone to it. So we're not going for a lot of warmth. We're going for more of a neutral to cool type of tone, or even more of a beige tone. But the key is to have this as light as possible, have it looking very, very natural, and you want to make sure you're keeping the hair intact, in good condition, and in good health. Talk about bold and daring. This is what I'm calling the edgy mullet. So this reminds me of a full-on rocker kind of 80s retro look with a modern twist. So we've got a sweeping fringe coming across this way, which can be worn really accentuated over this way if you want to have more of a severe parting, or it can be worn coming over and covering one of the eyes to make it a little more seductive. This part right into here is cut relatively shorter. I wouldn't say you should buzz it, but it's just soft enough and long enough where it keeps it still very feminine, and there's a severe disconnect right into this area right here, and that's where all this length comes in, and that's where the mullet look kind of stands out on this side. Then as we rotate the hair around, as you can see, this is all blended, and we have what I like to call the classic shag type of look, where it's heavily layered, working into some of the length, and this all sweeps and blends in. So a very complex haircut, but very, very edgy, and I'd love to see this as a trend for winter 2020. So what we have here is a textured bob. This is something we've seen a lot in the past. I think this is still going to be a great trend for women for the 2020 winter season. The key to this haircut, however, what makes it unique is that we have somewhat of a triangular shape into here, so the front is slightly longer on this one side. But then, as you can see, the amount of softness this has, all of the hair on this side right here, it just kind of works into this really fun, flipped, loose, kind of moved, textured area of the back of the nape area. And I think this has a real style to it that says it's sophisticated, it's fun, it's also sexy at the same time. It could be styled a variety of ways. As you can see here, we've got more of a side parting, which gives it a little bit more character as well. A very, very light fringe, with just some pieces coming down right throughout the front here to create a little bit of a softer look. This can be tucked behind the ear like this, but really the key is to have some layers and to have this back nice and textured. This is what I like to call the Hollywood layers haircut, because to me this screams Hollywood. This really has a lot of volume, a lot of movement to it. We still have a lot of length throughout the bottom here, but this is just full of life. The front has a slightly angled area right in through here to give it a little bit of character and face framing. It then blends in throughout the sides, working into the back, and then the whole top is layered so that when you brush the hair back this way, the hair all just flows into itself and has a seamless connection going from up here all the way throughout the bottom. Again, you can scrunch it, you can let it air dry, you can blow dry it straight and smooth and get a lot of volume. But this to me is a really, really gorgeous, sophisticated, sexy haircut that I feel if you want to wear it, you've got the hair texture, then definitely go for it. This is what I'm calling the Shag Bob. So it's got a bob length in throughout here, as you can see, but the shag part comes from the amount of layers that we have moving in through here, and the texture. So this could be worn pretty heavily down towards the face this way, or you can brush it and sweep it over, so we're opening up and exposing the forehead a little bit more to make it a little bit more softer. But the key to this is having all of this fullness, all of these layers working into a bob shape. And I think this is a great haircut for women if someone wants to have something where it can still have enough length to kind of tuck the hair behind the ear, still have a nice flow, feel like there's still hair on their head. It's not too short, but that wants a lot of life, a lot of volume and texture. This is definitely the perfect haircut for her. All right, so here is the full spectrum of the women's hair trends for the winter 2020 season. As you can see, a nice variety, anything from a bit more conservative to something very, very edgy. And I hope to see some of these types of looks. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.